Have you ever felt a sudden sharp pain in your teeth while having something hot, cold, sweet, or even while brushing? They react to certain triggers such as hot or cold foods and beverages. It may affect one tooth, several teeth, and sometimes the entire mouth. Sensitivity is very common, but it should be treated properly. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Namrata Rupani. Today, let's discuss one of the most common dental complaints, which is tooth sensitivity. Have you ever felt a sudden sharp pain in your teeth while having something hot, cold, sweet, or even while brushing? If yes, you might be experiencing tooth sensitivity, also known as dental hypersensitivity. Tooth sensitivity is a pain or discomfort of the teeth when they react to certain triggers such as hot or cold foods and beverages. For some people, it may happen occasionally and go okay, but for others, it can become a regular problem. It may affect one tooth, several teeth, and sometimes the entire mouth. So why does tooth sensitivity happen? Usually sensitivity occurs when the protective outer layer of the tooth, called the enamel, has worn off, or when the gums recede and expose the root surface of the tooth. This allows heat, cold, or pressure to reach the inner part of the tooth where the nerves are present. Other possible reasons can include cavities, cracked teeth, worn fillings, teeth grinding, or even brushing too hard. Now let's talk about the diagnosis. If you're experiencing sensitivity, it's important to visit your dentist. During the checkup, your dentist may examine your teeth and ask about when the pain occurs. They will gently touch the teeth with dental instruments or use air or water to identify the sensitive area. In some cases, an X-ray may also be advised to rule out problems such as cavities, infection, or cracks in the tooth. The good news, however, is that most cases of tooth sensitivity can be treated easily. Your dentist may recommend using a soft bristle toothbrush, anti-sensitive toothpaste, fluoride treatment, or making small changes in your brushing habits. So, if your teeth hurt while eating or drinking, don't ignore it. Sensitivity is very common, but it should be treated properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another Health Topics.